You know, there's two types of people in the world. 1/3 of us have got great digestion and 2/3 don't. My name's Steve Alexander, and we're here to help the 2/3 who don't by teaching the essence of what Debbie and I have learnt over more than 50 years combined as natural health practitioners. Most doctors are not really interested in your digestion unless they can diagnose a disease. And you can rack up thousands of dollars visiting naturopaths. That's a lot of unnecessary expense. We decided to offer a 6-part course in how to tune up your digestion. We're not teaching people how to overcome diseases. You need professional help for that. DIY Digestion consists of 6 easy to understand video-based modules, plus other material. The videos are 4 to 8 minutes duration. The modules arrive weekly. The language is simple. We want everyone to understand the concepts. We then provide some recommended actions and products. Most of the products have been proven successful for at least a decade in our clinics. We're not here to sell you any products. We will just give you websites and you can buy anything you want direct from the manufacturer or the importer. We are providers of unbiased advice. Our mission is for you to become effective at improving your digestion and save lots of money. Thank you for your trust in us. We look forward to helping you enormously.